In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications and Control Center. Following that, click on App Notifications and select Sort By at the top. Then click on the best option for you. In my case, sort by number of notifications. Finally, click on the blue sweater next to one of your apps to disable notifications from it. You can switch them back on the same way. You can also tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!